Hey everyone, thank you guys for watching me in today's video. So today is going to be a good video, and that is because I'm going to be showing you guys what I picked up from Shop Miss A. Now, if you guys haven't heard from Shop Miss A before, what are y'all doing? Because Shop Miss A is the shit, okay? They have a lot of really good products for $1. $1. Okay, I'm over here doing this like $1, guys. And I really do like their products. I can't say anything bad about anything that I've tried, which is pretty rare to say, because nowadays, I mean, you come across a lot of products and you're bound to like come across one bad product. But I don't know, guys, like I really do enjoy most of their products that I've came across. But anyways, so in today's video, like I said, I am going to be bringing you a haul that I bought everything, and I just kind of want to show you guys what I bought. So yeah, and most of these products are still available on their site, so if you guys are interested, I'll just go ahead and leave some links down below as far as like their newest stuff. But yeah, guys, let's just roll right into the video. All right, so I have this bag right here, and it has some goodies in it, and it also I also have some of the products on my table. But yeah, let's start off with the products in the bag. So the first thing that I picked up is their AOA Studio Perfect Finishing Pressed Powder. So that is what that looks like, and I got the shade 156 Sand. Yeah, and of course this is $1, so I just want to make it clear that mostly everything I'm going to be showing you guys is $1. I will do my best, well, not do my best, I'll actually tell you guys the products that are not $1, so just in case if you guys are interested in any of these products. But anyway, so the second thing that I bought is their AOA Studio Perfect Setting Powder, and this is in the shade Soft Brown. No, I'm sorry, Soft Light. Why would I say soft brown? Soft Light. But I want to show you guys like the size reference. So this is my hand, and it's pretty small. I want to tell you that it's really small. I actually do own this product, and I loved it so much that I had to pick up another one. I'm kind of running low on mine, so I'm like, you know what, I need to go ahead and pick this up because it's only $1 and it works. It doesn't give me any flashback. It holds my makeup in place. And I don't know if you know, but I do have like combination to oily skin. I do have dry patches and stuff, and it doesn't cling on to my dry patches or anything like that, which I find, again, you know, like it's pretty hard to find powders that don't cling on patches if you do have dry patches or anything. So yeah, I do like this. The next item is this Amuse Cosmetics, and it is their Blush and Glow. Let me actually open it for you guys so you can see the product better. And I did do a little swatch of it because I was curious, but let me show y'all so those are the two swatches. I think this is really neat because it does come with the highlight in it. So, I mean, you're getting like a 2-for-1 type of deal. So that's pretty cool. So the next two items I want to show y'all are makeup tools. So this first one is their Wonder Jelly Gel Blending Sponge. I think this is pretty interesting because, of course, it's like a jelly type, right? And I don't know, I kind of want to try it. I mean, I've tried a makeup sponge, obviously. Who hasn't tried makeup sponges? Of course, brushes. So I was just thinking, this kind of looks intriguing, so give it a shot, right? And then I picked up these eyelash applicator, and this was $1 as well. Now normally I put on my eyelashes just with my fingers, you know, I'll do the trick where you look down and, you know, you squeeze it together or whatever. But I kind of wanted to try something different and see if these work, so we'll see. All right, so the next items are radiant blushes, and that is what they look like. So this is a blush that kind of has a sheen to it, and this is in the shade Golden Apricot. I think these type of blushes, you guys, will be really pretty like for this time of year, especially in the summertime, because it has like a sheen to it. So again, so this is the shade Delicate Pink, and then we have Golden Apricot. So the next items are lip products. So I picked up 2 of their glosses. The first one is the Lip Pop AOA Studio, and that is in the shade Goddess. So again, that is what that looks like. It's like a metallic-y shade, but it looks really nice. I hope it's not too metallic, but we'll see. And then I picked up another of their diamond lip glosses. Guys, these right here are so like bomb. I picked up in the shade Pixie. And if you guys follow me on Instagram, then you will know that I recently did a lip swatch tutorial featuring their diamond lip glosses. And guys, they look so nice just on their own. Like, you don't need a lip liner or anything like that, or even a lipstick, because they're that pigmented. And now I don't know if this one will be that pigmented, because it kind of does look a little sheer a little bit, but I mean, it's still a really nice color, so I can't wait to try this one out. I wish I had this one when I filmed my video, but I mean, I just purchased all this not too long ago, so, and I posted that video, I think it was like last month. But anyways, guys, I highly recommend these because I own about 6 of them. I want to say 6 or 7, something like that, and all of them are really good quality. They're not sticky on the lips. They don't give you like that chunky glittery feel or anything like that, which, come on, who doesn't want that in a lip gloss? All right, so for my next items are lip liners. So I picked up 2 of their lip liners in the Wonder lip liner line, and this first one is called Divine, just like a more brownish brick color. And then the second one I picked up is called Sugar, and this one's more like a plum. And I've already used one of these, which is the Divine, and guys, really nice quality. Does a job as a lip liner. It doesn't feel like those wooden lip pencils that are hard on your lips or they break or anything like that. These are very creamy, and I haven't had any issues as far as them breaking or anything like that. And then I picked up this Sculpting Brow Pencil. And this one, so this is like a dual end, so it comes with the pencil on one side, and then on the other side it comes with the spoolie. Another 2-for-1 deal, so gotta love those. So I picked up these lip makeup remover pads, and it comes with 30 of them. And since I love doing lip swatch videos for you guys, I wanted to try these out and maybe, you know, give my lips a rest from the regular old makeup wipes. So for the next item, I picked up this Wonder Brow Tinted Brow Pomade. And I got this in the shade Medium Brown. And the next item is this AOA Studio Sculpt FX Contour Stick. And this is in the shade Sand. Next item I picked up is this Oh Honey Nourishing Lip Oil. And I wanted to give this a try, you guys, because recently, I don't know what's been going on with my lips, but they've never been this dry before. I mean, I guess because I'm getting older or something, you know, my body's changing. I don't know what it is, but it's pretty annoying, and it's definitely like the most annoying ever when you're trying to find like a lip treatment and nothing seems to be working. I mean, I went through, I want to say 3 lip treatments from different brands that none of them have been working for me. The next items that I picked up from Miss A are their lashes. These are their faux mink 3D lashes, and these are $1.55, so not bad at all. And that is what they look like. That is in the style Carlene, and I got the style Jackie. And let me see what else. I got the style Tori, which I'm actually wearing Tori on my eyes right now, and my favorite, like by far my favorite. Tori, and I think it's called Elidia. I think it's Elidia. These right here, guys, are so freaking dramatic, wispy. If you like dramatic freaking lashes, you will definitely love these style, because again, they're dramatic lashes and they definitely just amp up your eyeshadow game like to a whole nother level. So and then the next style I did pick up is Vanessa. These look super dramatic. I really do like these. I've been rocking with these for some months. They are really good, so I would highly recommend these because I have tried them already and I love them. So I had to pretty much pick up some backups of them, but yeah, picked up all those. And moving on to some brushes that I also picked up. So here are the brushes right here, and it comes like in this really cute pouch. And then we open them up and they come out. I actually took them out of their original packaging because just for the video purposes, I didn't want to make this video super long and just be me right here taking out the packaging and all that stuff. So I saved myself some time, and this is what they look like. And I think these are called like their bamboo set. I think that's what it's called, bamboo. But guys, they are super soft, like really soft. And I paid, I think it was $10.88 or they're $10.55, something like that. But I know it was $10, and you get 10 brushes. Moving on to the next item, I picked up this set right here. It is called the Glow Baby Illuminating Drops, and that is what they look like. You get 5 of them, and they're really tiny. Let me open these up for you guys so y'all can kind of get a good picture. Super tiny. So this is in the shade Goddess. This one is Morning Glow. And we have Afterglow. Then we have Super Glow. So this set right here is $5.55. So $5.55 for this set. Alright, so moving on to a palette. I picked up this palette right here called Immersed. And you take off the sleeve, and this is what it looks like. A lot of colorful shades, perfect for this time of year. And that is what they look like. I'm gonna give you guys a little bit of swatches. So let's swatch this. Swatching that one. Go ahead and swatch the next one. And let's do a matte. We'll do this purple. They feel really like creamy on my fingertips, but we'll put them to the test later on. I definitely want to do a makeup tutorial using all of these products, and I also want to do a little makeup tutorial on my Instagram as well. So definitely follow me on there if you are not following me on there. I do a lot of makeup tutorials on my Instagram as well. So yeah, let's go ahead and move on to the last product. So the final products that I picked up from Miss A. Let's see, we'll start off with these two right here. So I picked up a tender lip because, as I mentioned, my lips have been super chapped. So I picked up the one from She Makeup, It's called almond oil, and then I picked up the one in coconut oil. And on their site there's really good reviews on these two, so I was just like, what the heck, only $1, what can I lose? Let me go ahead and just try them out, because guys, my lips, like I said, they have just been so dry and not pretty. So I definitely need to find a solution for them, because I love wearing lipstick and you can't be wearing lipstick with some crusty lips. So for the last item I picked up from Shop Miss A is this Super Strip Lash Adhesive. And right here it does tell you the price. It's $1.88. And this is one of the newest items that they have on their site. So I'm really excited to try this out. Currently I use the standard duo lash glue, and that smell, you guys, I just like, I mean, I've been putting up with it for so many years, because that's the only one that I've found that to me works with my eyelashes. But sometimes I've noticed, like with my, when I put them on, like my eyes kind of do get a little irritated. So I kind of wanted to give this a try, and hopefully this will replace my dual lash glue. Well everyone, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll definitely be featuring a lot of these products in future videos, so definitely stay tuned for those. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll talk to you guys later on.